Hey everybody, it's Oliver's Papa. I haven't seen you all in a long time. Well, the other day I did a little live thing where I drove around and tried to talk to some of you guys and just keep you up to date. Life is going okay. I hope that yours is going well as well, as good as can be hoped for. I'm going to do a video later about Joe Biden, President Joe Biden, the Commander-in-Chief, and his drug addict son, Hunter. Don't get me wrong, I don't have anything against drug addicts. I'm under the belief that George Carlin was right when he said, hey, if you want to do drugs, that's fine. But the minute you start making life miserable for more than one person, then it's probably time to stop. Well, Hunter Biden has been, dominating the airwaves. His dad, Joe, can't bury the story, even with the Department of Justice in his back pocket. With all the other stuff going on, how much energy does the frail President Biden have when he's done worrying about his son? I love my son. I love my kids. Okay, congratulations. You're supposed to, asshole. But here's my problem, and I'll talk about it more later. Oliver's Papa's no hophead. Okay, I used to smoke reefer. I used to do a lot of things that I don't do anymore. But let's remember that marijuana is still on the federal list of banned substances. And that's one of the things that him and that hoochie, the vice president, we're supposed to take care of. Chuck Schumer, Cory Booker, the senator from out west, was it Wind? They're all going to take care of this. It's, and then they failed. They didn't get anything done. The witnesses Booker called were trash. And he goes on this thing about compassion and the impact that these drug laws, marijuana laws had on the black communities. That was fucking 50 years ago that this law was passed. That the ban was enacted on cannabis. And there's still, the impact on the black community. Man, it is gone past the black community. The black community definitely took the brunt of it in the beginning, no doubt. Just like they did with the drug laws that Biden signed his name on a lot of, that locked up black people for coke and for crack and, the war on drugs. You might ask why I'm getting pissed off about this. Well, some people ask why Oliver's mama is not in the United States. Oliver's mama, the one that has a degree in cooking, who works at a home for people with Down syndrome and other disabilities, the one who cares for them, the one whose the parents of her residents love her because she braids the girl's hair and puts their makeup on. She's an upstanding citizen. She pays her fucking bills. 11 years ago, she got busted for marijuana twice. Combined total, less than 3.5 grams. She's not allowed in the United States. Ever. Not even if her... Yes, baby, I know. Not even if her son and her husband need her. Not just financially, but the support that a special needs child that he needs around the clock. And I gotta listen to Homeland Security and different legal eagles talk about how the only people that can make this change is the Attorney General, the DEA, or the President of the United States, who won't do fuck all. He won't do fuck all. And in the same breath, I gotta listen to CNN. I gotta listen to CNN talk about how we should have compassion considering the drug crisis in this country. We should have compassion for Hunter Biden. Fuck Hunter Biden. And fuck his dad, too. Wouldn't it be nice if everybody had different branches of the executive branch, different tentacles of law enforcement out there working to cover up our crimes or our past? Hunter Biden, the guy, the scumbag that won't even claim one of his children. Although it's been proven that she is his. This family's trash. The president's family's trash. Democrats have turned into trash. But I haven't been a Democrat for a long time because I think they're trash. Just like a lot of Republicans are trash. I don't belong to either fucking party. But you want to talk to me about compassion and the plight of black people in jail? Listen, America, save your compassion for your family, your friends, your neighbors, the people that you need, the people that rely on you, not for politicians and politicians' drug addict sons. You know what I want to know about the laptop? Not just the financial shit. We know he's a criminal. We know he's a crook and that the old man made money. I want to know how many underage girls he was fucking when he was running around the planet, gallivanting around with daddy's clout in his pocket. Don't talk to me about compassion for the Biden family. Yes, they had some tragedies years ago. Every family has tragedy. Every fucking family has tragedy. I didn't get any cards from the Bidens when I've lost people. No, don't be fooled by these guys. There were Republicans that were on board with getting it off the Fed list. To get it off the Fed list, I got a chance in court to get his mother over here. A mother who has done a fraction of the wrongdoing that the president's son has done, yet he's got everybody to bat for him and lie for him and cover him up. It makes me angry, guys. I don't like to see imbalance in the world. I believe in balance. That the same law applies to you that applies to me. Why would I get away with something but you can't? Or vice versa. Fuck Hunter Biden and fuck his fucking compassion and fuck his old man. Get marijuana taken off the Fed list so that families can be reunited. Families of good people. My wife is 20 times the fucking person I am. She is. She's 20 times the person I am. Despite our differences, despite any problems we have, she's 20 times the person that I am in many ways. And she loves her son. Her son needs her. We can't get the help that he needs here. We have a hardship case that's a slam dunk, except they won't look past the marijuana. Meanwhile, the President of the United States is covering up for his son's crimes. Now, don't talk to me about compassion for Hunter Biden. Talk to me about equal compassion for everyone across the board, or don't fucking talk to me at all. It's Oliver's Papa. You guys take care. I love you. Be good. Take care of yourselves. God bless.